This segment is sponsored by Contadina, Bush's Baked Beans, and HP. It's the most wonderful and sometimes most stressful time of the year, but we have someone here to help make the season bright with some stress-free holiday entertaining tips. So Chef Tregaye is in the building. Now host Tregaye is part of the Tregaye's Way in the Kitchen on Prime and host of the new show Countdown to Delicious on YouTubeTV. She also won season 12 of Food Network Star and regularly serves as a celebrity judge on Guy's Grocery Games. And she's also an author of Kitchen Conversations with Chef Tregaye. So welcome, Chef. Now, what is your secret for entertaining without the stress?
Hey, thanks for having me. You know what? Whether I'm hosting for my family, whether I'm catering an event for a client, doing something at my restaurant, or even, doing something on my show, the plan is always to create a plan. I always start with that, the theme menu, a to-do list. But the real key is to prepare ahead of time and keep it simple so you can enjoy your guests. Hosting should feel good and not like a second job.
Okay, so you set a to-do list, right? Now, when we're making the to-do list, there's always one item we're overlooking. What is that item in your opinion?
Yes, you know what? If you're entertaining this holiday season, Italian food is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. All right, and Contadina is ripe for the moment. They have been bringing authentic Italian flavors to dishes since 1918. Now, with its full suite of premium tomato products, from whole and crushed tomatoes to tomato paste and puree and sauce, you can really elevate everyday meals into flavorful, memorable moments. Now, you can visit the Contadina website for inspiration and recipes like the delicious skillet beef lasagna and eggplant parmesan dishes you see here.
Love it. Now, what is the secret to making the best holiday menu? Because I'm not a chef, so I need your help.
Right. Now, if you're not a chef, you want to make something delicious, listen, you got to go with good food. I got something for you. You can't say good food without saying Bush's Baked Beans, okay? No holiday meal is truly complete without Bush's Baked Beans. Their slow-cooked signature flavor brings that homemade taste that everyone loves without the stress. Now, a nostalgic favorite passed down through generations that goes with everything from ham to turkey, like Grandma's favorite baked beans or the Southern beef and bean casserole. With Bush's, you can turn simple recipes into comforting, shareable dishes that make entertaining easy and enjoyable all season long.
Okay, now you mentioned about the South. We're here in the South right now. Everyone loves to be in the kitchen during the holiday season. Sometimes it starts a fight. So how are we saving time? Because at my house, we start getting hangry when it takes too long. What is a time saver?
Right. We gonna keep you entertained. HP has come up with an amazing solution for you, okay? So once the food's handled, or even before the food's handled, it's time to add some festive flair and keep the kids entertained while you prep. So HP has a whole collection of free holiday printables that make it easy to turn your home into a winter wonderland. Now, we're talking winter bingo, DIY Christmas cards, festive banners, and even a pop-up gingerbread house board game, all free to download. Now, I print everything on my HP Smart Tank 5101, so it's super easy to use. It comes with up to 2 years of ink, and HP AI makes recipes easy to read.
The winter bingo is pretty fun. I like that, actually. Okay, do you have any other suggestions before we go that I didn't get a chance to ask about?
Absolutely. You know what I like to just tell people? Keep it special, keep it simple, but keep it special. The holidays are all about enjoying more, not just doing more. So, you want to just prepare properly. Make sure you try some of these hacks, and you're going to have an amazing holiday this season.
Oh, I love it. Well, happy holidays, Chef Tregaye. We're going to go ahead and send you guys on off with some tips. So head on over to Tips on TV.
Yes, you're going to head over for more tips on all of these great products here. You're going to head over to tipsontv.com, and then you can also head over to YouTubeTV, subscribe, and check out my new show, Countdown to Delicious, where we're teaching you recipes from 1 to 3 minutes. Super easy and quick recipes.